Hi guys, we are going to grave. So this is 5,000 years old now. So we are going inside, and I amazing inside the grave. I think it's been there 3,000. So this is the view outside from the grave, and by Kalipinbon, and has a little island there in the middle between Denmark, Sweden. So yeah, Yunland, I think the name of the middle island. So two of those are my partner and my daughter. They are there in the outside the car. Now we are going to inside the grave, and it's not so scary, and it's place called Glumslöv, among the Glumslöv. Inside the grave, it's amazing. You can have 3 to 4 person, and has an insect now. Before they don't have, I think, but now it's kind of a little bit very old, and it smells bad, like molding, I don't know, so something like that. So we're going inside now. I show the detail a little bit, and it's blurry my camera and dark, so that's not enough my lights. So hi guys, welcome to my channel, and please like and share. So this is signage for Stone Age. So yeah. day is 3,600 BC around, so it's long time. And yeah, there where we going, and this is the place you can go. Oh, the color must be windy. It's more windy here now. Glumslöv, we are in Glumslöv. Glumslöv, we are in Glumslöv. So we go now. How can I go there? So Emma is the car with the map.